Alright, so this one is a bit geeky. I'm trying to recover data from a drive. I'm nearly there, maybe a few folders left. Just want to point out, if you're curious to see what happens after the mounting of dev SDZ. As you know, it begins from A, B, C, etc. for each drive. What happens after Z? So we'll find out. So now the drive has failed again. It's reached a bad sector. This is the method I've been doing and it's very successful. Turn it on. Okay, and now if you look at it here, F disk L, so Z there, A1, very clever. And that's what happens. So we go back here just to point out what happens. So yep, 25. So this is actually the second set. The system crashed earlier. A3. So what I'm doing is creating a new mount point. 25. Yep. Exclude. Just gotta change that last part. Okay, done. And here we go. We shall get some more files and keep repeating. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you in the next one. There we go. Damn, it's stuck. Okay, see you in the next one.